Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix this experiences restricted Roblox account manager. In order to fix it, so you have to follow the steps. First of all, open the Roblox application from the browser. So type in roblox.com and log into your account. Next, you will simply want to click the gear icon from the top right and go to settings from the drop down menu. From the left hand side corner at the bottom or in the second last option, click on Parental Control. So what you need to do is, in order to actually fix this issue, you have to make sure that you've enabled your parental control or you've enabled this option. So click on Learn More, and after which you could go ahead and set a PIN. This might be able to help you out. And similarly, the next thing you also want to do is make sure to select that all ages option is enabled. Once you've set this up, this is going to help you out to fix it. So despite that, if nothing works out, then you simply want to clear cache or data, or maybe uninstall the application if it is already installed. That's going to help you out to fix it. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.